to accept somebody saying, yeah, I cursed Aisha radiallahu. Now, if you're going to tell me that sit next to and shake hands, me, myself, with a person who says, yeah, that mother of the believers, we curse her when we're alone. That Abu Bakr, that Umar, that Uthman, that the Prophet loved, we say they're in the hellfire when we're alone, just not in front of you. I'm not going to accept. Tell me this, how many of these Irani Shia defenders that he's talking about have set foot in Palestine and fought Israel?
Not a
Zero.
Yeah, not
Those people fighting in Gaza are all the people of Sunnah. They're Sunnis, right? I will not defend their shirk. I will not whitewash their crimes. That's where I draw the line. Iran massacring the Muslims of Iraq, massacring the Muslims of Syria. Understand this, that Iran, even in their ceasefire conditions with Trump, had nothing about Palestine. They're fighting for survival. They're fighting for their own political interests, not for the people of Palestine. And that is why, even since the so-called Islamic revolution in Iran, till Iran was attacked, Iran never laid a single soldier or bullet on the soil of Israel. And I hope the people of adl, of justice, those that are not strictly working on emotion but working on intelligence, will see